And it goes a little something like.
Oh, Binka? Haha! Forget this one, but the one that had 6 of them. I haven't edit Kelsey's thing yet. Kelsey will post it on all her videos. It's looking at my thing, but I'm so busy. Like this week I was filming my face, now talking, so kapoy dito.
Open your mind. Open your mind. I mean, I feel like it tastes good, but hurry up, hurry up. Basically, how about you stand, this is 7.
That's stupid here.
Don't shake it so loud.
It's really good, but she smells so bad. It's a bit smart. I will fast forward.
Rolling.
That looks so juicy, like saucy, you know? It's so
Yeah,
saucy.
right.
It's so saucy.
You won't do it? I'll do it.
So hi guys, I'm home already. It's I'm not sure if I was really productive today, but I tried. It's really quite noisy outside. Ran's singing, she's doing a live, she's singing. Anyway, today I just tried being productive because I really needed to be productive because it's been a while since I've ever I gotta chair first because I don't know where I'm standing. It's been a while since I've been productive, like legit. Life has been hard. Life has been different the past 2 months. Sorry guys for the background because Marianne's singing, and yeah, right now she's not just singing, but in a while she will. I mean, she has been singing already. So if ever you hear anything, sorry, it's really loud. But yeah, life has been weird and different the past 2 months. It's because a lot of things happened. Okay, now my auntie's singing. I really want to talk more about it, but she's singing. Ay, naku. Okay guys, so I came home with food. I ate, yeah, I know, but I brought desserts with me. So of course we get the sugar, satisfy the sweet tooth. So first dessert I have is, I didn't buy it, but it's from a friend. Thank you so much for sending this, Char, as if I'm sponsored. It's a really good chocolate cake, I guess. I haven't tried it, but it looks really good. Like, oh, looks really good. Thank you so much. I love cake, so it makes me so happy. So thank you. But I think I won't eat this now because we went to Subo, the video that I will show you. Sorry for this fantasy. I'm so sorry. But and I saw crepe, and it's been a while since I ate crepe. You know, it's so hard to find crepe these days because before our favorite crepe used to be in Ayala, but they closed already a long time ago. So that's why it's hard to find crepes now. And we found one in Subo, so I got crepes. So I think since the cake naman doesn't get damaged, so tomorrow na yan. So for now, we'll have crepes. This looks so good. Yummy, yummy, yummy. My cousin's here. He's gonna eat with me. This is crepe mango and
Slice done.
So I'm not really hungry, and my aunt ordered McDo. So usually I get cheeseburger meal, but I'm not so hungry, so I just got cheeseburger. I'm actually not supposed to buy because I thought that I'm full, and I said, okay, I'm just gonna buy for tomorrow morning breakfast. I was eat it, but when the food arrived, I'm not hungry, so I guess I'm doing this.
Okay.